Hey everyone, Scott J. Ray from Crucible Custom Props, Norfolk Lab, all the forums here. So today we have something super different for me. Most of you guys know that the new stuff is not really my thing. Nobody really comes to me normally with new stuff. I don't have any problem with working on props for anything, but typically I'm not tasked with doing stuff from the new movies. But this came. The owner wanted me to weather it, and I looked at. There's not much reference from the movie available, but there's some, and there's a bunch of. These have been done by other people, and usually people do a lot of rust weathering on them, which I don't know. The stuff that I could see from the original prop looked more like it was dirt and dust, and figuring that she's on Tatooine or Jakku or wherever the hell she ends up. I think it's Tatooine in the end because she tries to steal Luke's identity. But anyway, she ends up on Tatooine, so it makes sense that this would be more dusty and dirty than it would be rusty, especially when there's no moisture in the air and they have to farm the moisture in the air. So I went with a dust kind of weathered look to make it a little bit more realistic. And added the wraps that came with the kit. They are just E6000 on, so if I don't know if he's going to have this installed, and I don't know if that's going to hinder the install, but if it does, that person can always just pull those off and re E6000 them back on. But anyway, this is the KR, I believe it's the KR Sabers Scavenger kit. This one, I think this is an upgrade. These fins are an upgrade. The heat weathered. They might be titanium. I'm not quite sure what they're made of, but it's super cool. This is actually a really neat prop, regardless of the politics of the movie. This is a cool mechanism. So when you look inside, it's got a blade plug as well. Super detailed and crazy looking. Very cool. Kind of give you a look inside there. Super neat, super detailed. I bet this mechanism was hard to do, but it does have a full access hollow tube inside. It just kind of cinches down with those screws there. Pretty simple as far as doing anything, but this mechanism I bet is not simple. But yeah, so I saw one video where Cal talks about how when you turn that on, it hits the activation switch, and one of these, I'm not sure which one it is longer than the other, and that is the blade retention screw. Seems like this one sticks up a little bit more, so that could be it. But I never took that out, so, and I don't need to. But yeah, so there's your Rey lightsaber, the Scavenger, weathered up. Pretty neat prop. Very cool, man, and it is a quality made piece, man. This thing is pretty nice, but it just came anodized black, so it did some typical weathering from what I could tell from the reference, and that's about it. All right, so thanks for watching. This is the KR Sabers Rey Scavenger, all weathered up. All right, thanks for looking.